I'm gonna explain to you now. Now he said to me, Omar, if you cut this bearing, how are we gonna find another bearing, right?
Yeah.
Nothing to do with that. There are numbers on the bearing and you can measure the dimensions. Outer diameter, inner diameter, and the height, right? So why you come crazy? This bearing, Jaguar, diff. Today it's still Wednesday. Now we have this conversation. Why? Because we cannot find this bearing, the pinion bearing that comes here. That I'm saying that's front, but it's not front, it's rear. I'm calling it front, all right? So that's the pinion bearing, the old one, the sample one. The new one, it's been installed here. The race, it's here inside, fine. I put also the seal from this side because it doesn't matter. I saw you on the previous video, right? Okay, and they brought me also the seal. What seal you bring me here?
The front one.
This is the pinion seal.
What I give you last one, yeah.
This looks a little bit big to be the pinion seal. This looks like axle seal, to be honest. This looks the same diameter like the axle seal. Just for you to know. Alright? And if you compare the part number, Mr. Omar, it's exactly the same part number. So they didn't give you pinion seal, they give you axle seal. I already have one. One's been installed, and the other one, I have it here in the nylon bag for when it comes the time, because I have to pass the race. Fortunately, I saw it. Now, 5 minutes ago, they bring me this, and they bring me axle seal. I told them pinion seal, they brought me axle seal. You see with what I have to deal with what kind of bullshit. All right, so we cannot find the bearing for this. We cannot use also the old one. We have to order it online. We have to order it from I don't know where. Now, to finish the video, because I don't know how long it's gonna take to find for me one bearing. All right, that's the same bearing that I saw you yesterday. Yeah, yesterday. Okay, that's the race outer. Okay, and this is the inner. It looks like. Now, what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to slice it to put on the video because this is the most damaged bearing, the worn bearing. It's this one. The rest, they had a wear, the old one. They're outside in the box, but this was the one that was producing sound. Let me go to cut it, and I'm coming back again inside. Okay, same thing like the previous bearing. Let's open it with one hand. Omar, since you are here, can you hold the other side? Yeah, let's open it. You can fall all down. All right, okay, okay. So that's how it looks like inside. All right. You see how it looks like? Did I tell you that yesterday? I'm gonna be gone. What is that bearing? Gone. This was the one that was producing the sound.
The big time.
Yeah, understood?
Yeah.
Now, again, still, even like this in this position, in this case, you have the inner diameter, you have the outer diameter, you have the height of the race of the outer race, and you have the height of the inner race. So you can still find the bearings, the bearing. And you have also the number. It's a Timken, you have this number here, it's made in USA, you know, and you can still find it. So you're not gonna have any problem. I just make this one to finish the video, because I don't know when they're gonna bring me the bearing, when they're gonna bring me the pinion nut and the crash washer, that this is important to close the diff. Okay, so that's how it looks like. Fine, fine. Over and out. Thank you very much. Omar, you can have it back and try to find it.